A lightweight, budget yet loaded with powerful suction. Yep, that's the latest Dibea D18 handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. Upgraded with even more power at 120 watt, 2-speed control out to 8500 PA at large suction mode and 4000 PA for long-term mode. The white motorized floor brush comes with LED lights that great for dark corners. Dibea D18 build quality is decent for the price, and the modular design is great. Different elements are being used for different usages. You can attach and remove with just single click of the button. Here are all the accessories included in the standard package. Do refer to my Dibea D18 unboxing video for details. Learn all their functions and features there. Let's have a look on Dibea D18 8500 PA vacuum power compared to previous model Dibea C17 7000 PA. C17 managed to squish plastic water bottle a little bit. D18 does a better job here with those extra power. As for operation noise, it's getting around 70 dB on low speed mode and up to 73 dB on high speed mode. Based on my test, Dibea D18 managed to last for 56 minutes on low power mode, much better than specs, and up to 23 minutes on high power mode. Can be charged easily with the removable vacuum handler, 3 levels battery life indicator. It takes around 4.5 hours to fully charge, and the warm up with 3M adhesive pads and screw help to attach vacuum against wall. Alright, let's have some real tests. As usual, I use flour to represent dust that we face daily. D18 is doing a great job here. It managed to clean with just single trip, no problem on larger long leaf as well. Okay, let's try something even heavier, mung beans. Yes, it is surely better than previous model C17 on this task. Last test, which is harder test among all, mung bean on carpet. It managed to clean most of the beans, left some as though stuck deep between the long fur. As for vacuum self-cleaning, it is very easy. Just click on the dust cap button to remove all the dust, followed by remove and clean the filters. Just twist and remove the top part, followed by the big round filter, filter case with metal, and so on. For your information, all these filters are washable by water. Be sure to dry them out before assembling them back. Cordless vacuum cleaner is very useful for daily cleaning. No need to worry about length of the wire, and just focus on the cleaning task. It can be used to clean in a narrow space, top corner up above the wall with long metal tube plus long crevice. The useful multi-angle brush that rotates flexibly can reach small corners under sofa and bed. Don't forget the LED lights too. Helps you see all the dirt, hair and fur easily. You can use it in the house or outdoor to clean your car. The portable design surely makes the cleaning task easily, as you can see. And the bundle accessory do come in handy too. That's pretty much cover everything of this budget yet powerful cordless vacuum cleaner, Dibea D18. Do check out the promotion and buying link below. Thanks for watching. I'm Jace, and I will see you again. Peace.